Hello students, we are doing chapter number 9, linear equation and inequalities in one variable, exercise 9.2. In last video we did till question number 8 and now we are starting from question number 9. Aparna got to 27,840 as her monthly salary and overtime. Her salary exceed the overtime by 16,560 rupees. What is her monthly salary? So let her monthly salary is X, then her overtime will be 27,840 minus X, because total she is getting this much amount and this is the sum of monthly salary and overtime. So from the total, if we remove salary, then we will get the overtime. Now we will frame the equation according to the question. Her salary exceed the overtime. Exceed means, as I told, we have to put minus symbol. It means her salary is more than overtime, and by how much? 16,560 rupees. So her salary exceed the overtime means, first we will put salary X. Exceed means minus symbol and then the overtime. 27,840 minus X, and by how much? By means equal to 16,560 rupees. Now we will remove this bracket. X minus 27,840, and here minus and minus will become plus. X is equal to 16,560 rupees. X plus X will become 2X. Other remaining numbers as it is. Now this 27,840 we can shift another side, it will go for addition. And after addition we will get 44,400 rupees. So 2 also we can shift another side. After cancellation we'll get 22,200. So X value is here 22,200. It means her monthly salary is 22,200 rupees. Next, question number 10. Hina has only 2 rupees and 5 rupees coin in her purse. If in all she has 80 coins in her purse amounting to 232 rupees, find the number of 5 rupee coins. So let the number of 5 rupee coin is X, because total she have 80 coins, so 2 rupee coin will be 80 minus X. From the total coin, if we remove 5 rupee coin, the remaining will be 2 rupee coin. Now we will find out the value of 5 rupees coin. Value of 5 rupee coin will be 5 into X means 5X. Suppose you have 5 rupees 10 coins. So 5 into 10, total value will be 50 rupees. Similarly, value of 2 rupees coin. 2 rupee we have to multiply with the number of coins. So 2 into 80 minus X. And according to the question, the total money is 232 rupees. So the total 5 rupees and total 2 rupees coin, if we add, it should come 232 rupees. So according to the question, 5x plus 2, 80 minus x is equal to 232 rupees. Remove this bracket. 5x plus 160 minus 2x is equal to 232. Now 5x minus 2x will become 3x, and 160 we can shift another side. It is here in addition, another side it will go for subtraction. So 3x is equal to 72. So x value will be 72 by 3. Cancel with the 3 table. 3 2 are 6 and 3 4 are 12. So x value is 24. Therefore the number of 5 rupee coin is 24. Next question number 11. A purse contains total 550 in notes of denomination of rupees 10 and rupees 50. If number of 50 rupees notes is 1 less than the 10 rupees notes, find the number of 50 rupees notes. So we let the number of 50 rupees note is x. Then the number of 10 rupee note will be x plus 1, because 50 rupees notes are 1 less. It means 10 rupee notes are 1 more. Now we will find out the value of these notes. Value of 50 rupees notes, this will be 50 into x. Number of notes we will multiply with the money. Similarly, value of 10 rupees notes will be 10 into x plus 1. And according to the question, total money she have 550 rupees. Therefore, according to the question, if we add this 50 rupees total notes and 10 rupees total notes, it should come equal to 550 rupees. First we will remove this bracket and simplify. 10 into x will become 10x and 10 into 1 will become 10 equal to 550. 50 plus 10 will become 60x plus 10 equal to 550. 10 we can shift another side. 550 minus 10 we will get 540, and 60 also we can shift another side. So 540 divided by 60, we can cancel with 6 table. 6 9s are 54. So the value of x is 9 rupees. Therefore the number of 50 rupees coin, 50 rupees notes equal to 9. Next question number 12. After 12 years, I shall be 3 times as old as I was 4 years ago. Find my present age. So let present age is x years. Now first we will calculate age after 12 years and then before 4 years. So my age after 12 years, after 12 years means we have to add 12 to present age, x plus 12 years, and age before 4 years. So before, when we are going in past means we have to subtract. So present age is x and before 4 year means from the present age we will remove 4 years. Now we will frame the question. According to the question, after 12 year I shall be 3 times as old as I was 4 years ago. Means after 12 year age, is 3 times the before 4 year. We will substitute values here. After 12 year age is x plus 12 and before 4 year it is x minus 4. First we will remove the bracket. 3x we can shift this side, it will come for subtraction, and 12 we can shift another side, it will go for subtraction. So x minus 3x we will get minus 2x, and minus 12 minus 24. So both the side minus is there, we can cancel out minus. 2 we can shift another side, 2 will go for division and cancel out 12 times. So the value of x is 12. It means my present age is 12 years. Next question number 13. Two equal sides of an isosceles triangle are 3x minus 1 unit and 2x plus 2 units. The third side is 2x. Find the value of x and the perimeter of the triangle. Now in question it is given, this is an isosceles triangle and equal sides are these two. So it means we can compare these two sides, both the sides are equal. We can write 3x minus 1 is equal to 2x plus 2. So 2x we can shift this side, it will come for subtraction, and 1 we can shift another side, it will go for addition. 3x minus 2x means x is equal to 3. So we got x value is 3. Now we can find out all the three sides of triangle. Therefore first side is 3x minus 1. 3x value is 3 minus 1, 339 minus 1 means 8 unit. And second side, because first side and second side is equal, so it's not necessary to calculate, you can write directly also. Second side also will be 8 units. And third side it is given 2x. So 2x means 2 into 3, 6 units. Now we have to find out the perimeter of the triangle, and perimeter of triangle means sum of all three sides. First side is 8, second side is 8 and third side is 6. So 8 plus 8 16 plus 6 22 units. Next question number 14. The length of a rectangular plot is 6 meter less than thrice its breadth. Find the dimension of the plot if its perimeter is 148. So let the breadth of rectangle is x meter, then if let the breadth of rectangle is x meter, then length will be 6 less than thrice its breadth, means 3, we have to do the thrice of x and then we have to less 6. Less means we have to subtract 6. Now according to the question, perimeter is given, so we will find out the perimeter. Perimeter is equal to 148 and perimeter formula is 2l plus b is equal to 148, because this plot is a rectangular plot. We will substitute the values of length and breadth. Length is 3x minus 6 and breadth is x, which is equal to 148. So 3x plus x will become 4x minus 6 equal to 148. Remove this bracket, 8x minus 12 is equal to 148. 12 we can shift another side. It will go for addition. So 8x is equal to 160. 8 also we can shift another side. Cancel out. So we will get x value is 20. It means the breadth of rectangle is 20 centimeter and length will be length we have taken 3x minus 6. 3x minus 6 means 3 into 20 minus 6. 3 into 20 is 60. 60 minus 6 is equal to 54 meter. Next question number 15. Two complementary angles differ by 20 degree. Find the measure of each angle. So complementary angle means two angles, so sum is equal to 90 degree. So let angles are x and 90 minus x, because their sum is 90 degree. So if first angle is x, another one will be 90 minus x. Now according to the question, their difference is 20 degree. Means if we subtract them, anyone you can keep at first place. So x minus 90 minus x is equal to 20 degree. Now we can remove the bracket and minus minus will become plus equal to 20 degree. X plus x will become 2x minus 90 equal to 20. Minus 90 we can shift another side, it will go for addition. So we'll get 2x is equal to 110 degree. So x value will be 110 divided by 2, 55 degree. Therefore, angles will be, first is 55 and second one will be 90 minus 55 is equal to 35 degree. So this exercise has completed. Hope you understood these questions. Thank you for watching this video.